How to hook up SiriusXM Radio to your car. The first thing you want to do is activate SiriusXM. First, turn on your car and switch the audio source to satellite radio or SXM. Tune to channel 1 to get your radio ID. Go to SiriusXM.com/activate or call this number right here. Then you want to enter your radio ID and choose a subscription plan. Activation takes only a few minutes and requires no extra equipment. Then you want to install the vehicle kit. Inside the SiriusXM vehicle kit, you'll find this right here: a magnetic antenna, power adapter, X cable, or FM adapter. Then follow these steps. The first thing you want to do is mount the receiver on your dash using the included bracket. This is important. Then plug in the power adapter into your 12V outlet. Then attach the magnetic antenna to the roof of your car. Route the cable through the door seam under the interior trim. Then connect it to the receiver. Then choose your audio connection, X cable, or FM adapter. Make sure all cables are secure and don't block driving visibility. Then activate the portable receiver. Turn on SiriusXM device and go to channel 1. Get your radio ID from the screen and go to SiriusXM/activate and enter your radio ID. Follow the steps to pick a plan and complete activation. Then test your setup. Change the channel to something like channel 8 or 44 to confirm audio is working. Adjust volume and make sure you're getting a clear signal. If using FM, make sure the station isn't used by a local broadcaster. Then secure the cables and finalize setup. Use included clips, zip ties, and cleanly route cables along the dash. Keep cables out of airbags, pedals, and gear shifts area. If this video helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.